Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So this is my Honda Maze. Like I have drove this car for almost 1,30,000 kilometers. So as of now the gear oil is not changed for this car. So this will be the first time. So if you go to the authorized service center, they say like the gear oil is lifelong. So there is no lifelong. Like generally we have to change the gear oil after like 60,000 kilometers. But this is something we just skip. It is very important to change the gear oil. The generally problem we face when the we don't change the gear oil, like the gear there, if we change the gear, we switch the gear from 1 to 2 or 3 to 4, it's not smooth. So that's why we need to replace the gear oil. So first of all, like regarding the gear oil change, to drain the gear oil, the volt is easily located like beneath the transmission. Like when you change the engine oil, you can easily see the volt which you have to open and take out the gear oil. But you need to know the place where you have to refill the gear oil, because in case if you just drain the gear oil and you are not able to identify the location, so you are stuck, you can't drive your car. So make sure you identify from where we have to fill the gear oil. After that only drain the gear oil. So this is the Honda Maze. So I'm going to show you. So the whole process will be I will be doing at my home. So it's a very basic process we have to follow. So the video you can get a basic understanding how it can be done at home, or in case if you are don't want to do at your home, it will going to provide you the basic understanding. So regarding the gear oil grade, you can just refer your owner's manual, refer on the Google. So easily the information of the grade, which grade gear oil grade is required, it's mentioned over there. So you can refer that one as well. So in case you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe so that such kind of informational videos notification you will going to receive. So you can maintain your car, scooty, all those things at home. So for this petrol, it's a petrol engine 1.2 liter. For this the refill plug is on the right hand side. So I've taken out the wheel, secure car with the jack stand, and now you have to open this lock. So there are specific tools to open these locks. You can also use the flathead screwdriver to open the locks. So whichever you prefer, you can easily take out these locks. So this one is out. So same we have to take out the second one. So this one is also out. So if we just remove this one, so here you can see the volt from where we have to fill the gear oil. So just to make it very clear, so the gear oil where we have to drain, where we have to refill, their volts are different. You can easily see like the this one, it's a square one, and the bottom which you can see to take out the gear oil, that's also square one. So easily you can identify the volt which is used to drain and refill the gear oil. So first of all, I'm going to open this volt to the refill one. So first of all, we have to open the locks. So I have just opened the lock so that I have a clear access to all the volts. So the whatever the tools will be used in this video, that will be shared in the description box. You can refer that one. So the ratchet will be directly installed in this volt. So the volt is out. So here you can see we can refill the gear oil. So now let's drain the gear oil. So to drain the gear oil, you have to use the square socket again. It's a 9 number socket you have to use. So I will going to leave it like this for 5 or 10 minutes so that the gear oil drain out properly. So you can see whole oil is drained out. So now we have to install back the volt. Before installing back the volt, make sure you check the Warsaw which is installed in the front of this volt. So in my case the seal is in good shape, so I'm just going to install the same one. But in your case, if it's like damaged, broken, So in that case, it's highly recommended to replace the Porcel. When you just tight this bolt, make sure it's not you tight it too hard, because this is the whole body is like a alloy, so it's not made up of solid iron, so there are chances that you're going to cut the thread. So this is the gear oil. By comparison, you can see the color of the oil, it's black. So the reason it's I already drove this car for 1,30,000 kilometers, so that's the reason. So I will going to use this Zik gear oil 18W90. It's a 2.5 liter gear oil. So as per the manual, as per the Google, like it will be somewhere around 1.9 liter of gear oil is required. So this is the setup I have done. I have installed a small pipe in front of in front of the pipes, so that the small pipe going to be inserted directly inside the gearbox, and the big pipe is here. So the setup is ready. So I'm going to install the funnel, and after that I will fill the gear oil. So let me show you the setup. So you can see the funnel installed, gear oil is like poured into the funnel. So it will take some time because there is a very thin pipe in the front, so it will take some time. So as I said, approximately 1.9 liter of gear oil is required for Honda Amaze gearbox. So for the gearbox, you have to just fill it to the max level. It's not like you have to just fill a specific amount. So once you reach the max level, the oil will going to come out. After that, you can just stop the fish. So you can see the gear oil is coming out. So now we have to just take out the pipe and install back the bolt. So let's tighten this bolt once again. So again the same ratchet is used. As I told you, again it's a alloy. Don't apply too much of force to tighten the bolt. So now this one is done. Make sure no oil is coming out from both the bolts. So let me clean this with the brake cleaner, so that all the oil marks are clear, so we don't see any oil, because again the dust will going to accumulate on these areas where we have this gear oil. So it will going to dry. So you can see like it's getting dry, so it will be neat and clean. Make sure all the drain plugs, refill plugs are cleaned properly, so that in case there is a oil is coming out, so it can be clearly visible later. So let me show you the setup what I have done. So this is the pipe, you can see. So the front pipe is a small pipe. I have just installed the pipe and secured that pipe with the cable ties, and I have also installed the Teflon tape, which is used for the plumbing tasks, so that the oil didn't come out from there. So after that, secure it with the cable ties. This is the workaround I have made to refill the gear oil in my Honda Amaze. So this is the old gear oil. So you can see the new gear oil was almost transparent, and this one you can see the condition. So we have Honda Amaze 2017 model. We have changed the gear oil at home with very basic tools. Like we have to do some kind of workaround. So I have already shown the pipe which I made. So it's very basic process. That's it in this video. If you like this video, give thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Keep watching DIY Guy. Take care. Bye bye.